Okay, that was 159008 and 159011 with the 10:37 Southwest train service from Exeter St David's to London Waterloo. Hello guys, welcome to the latest video from KTV, and today for my 800 subscriber special, the first part, I'm at Clapham Junction on the Southwestern Main Line and the Brighton Main Line. So you're going to be seeing services from Southwest Trains, the massive depot of Desiros. It's absolutely bonkers there, and there is, it's completely mad, which is really nice actually. You're going to see services from Southern, Gatwick Express and London Overground, plus hopefully some freight as well. Train Clips HD is here. He's joining for this video, among others, who I'll reveal later. So, thank you guys again for getting me to 800 subscribers. It's an amazing feeling. So, let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at Clapham Junction. Okay, first train in this video is a passing service from Portsmouth Harbour to London, Weymouth to London Waterloo, 444012. Destination Weymouth nameplate. With 444026 on the rear, that's off to London Waterloo from Weymouth. That's passing through quite slowly, among the other one, which was 444017, which is from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour, I meant to point out. So, sorry for not pointing that out, that was the other one was 444017 to Portsmouth Harbour via Eastleigh. Okay, pulling in there is a 455 off to Hampton Court from London Waterloo. Thank you, Adam, thank you. Also comes in, oh blimey, has this actually shown up or am I just seeing things? 377307, that's 455870 off to Hampton Court. It's 377307 and 377321 and 377411. I think they're off to 411's the other one. And I think this one is off to Brighton, but I'm not too sure because it's a triple. But that could be wrong. I think it might be off to Bognor Regis, but I'll check up on that. Okay, arriving there is 377124 with a Southern service to London Victoria. But yeah, I think this one is from somewhere. But I'm just going to wing it today because this is Clapham Junction and I'm not going to assume anything, so I'm going to wing it for once. That's easy. Okay, coming in now is 450081 off to Basingstoke, passing through. And 450009. They're off to Basingstoke, they're not going to stop. And also 450123 is coming through. Also 455838, just departing with a service to London Victoria. And another 455 for Southwest Trains is pulling in as well. Do you know, I might as well just not commentate any of this. So that's a train, that's a train, that's a train. 377 is departing. On the rear is 377415. And on the rear this one is 450033. And that's 377 whatever it was. Sorry, this is Clapham Junction. I'm not going to take things seriously at this station. There's a 455, it's an empty stock, but I'm not going to bother filming it because it's taking forever to get in. But there it is for you. Also pulling in is 455873. And 455714, that's doing a circular route back to Waterloo via the Hounslow Loop. and via Surbiton, and this one is doing exactly the same. 455742.
Coaches. Platform 12 for the 10:51 Southern service, London Leatherhead. Welcome.
Okay, coming in now is 450093. That's off to Portsmouth and Southsea from London Waterloo. Also 377468 has just pulled in. 377468 off to London Victoria.
Hellfire.
377s are not Hellfire.
No, I was talking about the station.
Oh, it's not Hellfire either. Okay, also putting in is 159001 with the Southwest train service to Salisbury. Oh, a 458 has just shown up as well. And another 455. You're going to get in the way of beauty. No, no, no. 455703 off to Shepperton. I was trying to film the beautiful 159 and all of a sudden that happens. Four 55727 is on the rear. That's off to Shepperton. And this one is supposed to not be stopping here, but actually it's carrying on. Oh, hang on a minute. No, it's not going to stop. This is empty stop. It has to be. There's nobody on it. Must be empty stop, that one. I think it's empty. Yeah, it's probably empty stop. Oh, 458 departing. Imagine that one is from Windsor and Eton Riverside, and another 458 coming in. Southwest trains overload.
Warning, warning, Southwest trains overload.
And all of a sudden the whole network blows up.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Where'd you come from?
I don't know. Where do you come from?
Plymouth. Long way back. Oh, 377 is also departing with a service to London Victoria. 377435. Southern, you're impressing me today. Well done. And 377436. And 377439. I sound like I'm hosting an auction, but I'm not.
377439 is on the.
Anybody for 377439? Anybody at all? Any takers? Any takers?
That's on 38.
No, I'm being an auctioneer. 377158. Oh, 158.
I believe that's going to Brighton.
Probably somewhere. Could be going anywhere really. And another 455 on its way out. I've probably got an hour's worth of footage already. 455913. Oh, and a 442's coming through.
Huh?
A 442's coming through.
Yes.
I'll catch that one any minute.
442.
And approaching delay.
Okay, coming in now is a 442 off to Gatwick Airport. 442 419. And 442 413. 377603 is also showing up with a service to London Victoria.
We got a new Gatwick Express coming through.
Oh, a 387's also coming through. Hello. 387219 off to London Victoria from, I think it's Brighton.
387219 and this is on the new Gatwick Express service.
Well, hello. Beautiful. Where did you come from? Yeah. And on the rear is, oh, hello. It's another one, okay. I missed the middle one.
So on the rear of it is 387.
387208. And the 387 kindly welcomed us into Clapham Junction by saying welcome on the board. Thank you very much. Oh, also we have a passing 159. This one's got to be for Salisbury because it's coming through fast. Yes, this one's for Salisbury. 159010. And that's about it from me for this clip.
Brighton.
Okay, pulling in now is 377 320.
377 420 on that one.
320.
No, 320.
You said 420.
No, I said 320.
You said 420.
Review my video. Right, anyway.
455 740 here off to Woking. Oh my god, I'm out of breath.
905.
And 455905 off to Woking. 45565 in empty stock is also, that's off to empty, that's empty stock.
Oh, is it just empty stock?
Yeah. Okay, coming through now we have a 450.
On this one.
Oh, and 444015 and 450078.
4015.
450 is off to Alton.
45078 is off to Alton.
Oh, yeah, Alton.
Alton then. And
Alton
it's,
Towers? No, not really.
455850 off to London Waterloo from where?
455850. Wouldn't be certain on that one, I'm afraid. Okay, departing there is a London Overground 378. 455707 here.
Yeah, I wish I could be left now.
That's off to Woking apparently. But I'm sure I just saw one going to Woking, but okay. I'll go with that. And this one is 455857 off to London Waterloo from Guildford.
Guildford, I believe.
From
Yeah.
Guildford. Okay, coming in now is another 377 off to Brighton, which is 377409.
377609 is
409.
409. Okay.
I know you're confused, Dan, but still.
Oh.
And something else.
Damn. From London Victoria, not London Waterloo.
And this is 377119. And also 377.
377 119 119 119.
No. 377707. How many sevens did I say in that one? I bet you can guess how many sevens. Why did I say that? Also coming in is 455868 for London
over there,
Waterloo.
377707.
Okay, coming in now is a 377 off to London Victoria, and behind me is another 377, which is 377324 with a busted screen on it. Busted destination board. Also coming through is 444008. That is off to Portsmouth Harbour. That's by Eastleigh, I'd imagine. 377306. It looks like there's a traffic jam that's been reduced. 377323. 377309 as well, okay then. 377154 is on this one, this solo one that's showing up as well. Okay, coming out now is 444019 off to London Waterloo. This one is from Weymouth, I think. Actually, no, hang on. Time now from Poole. This one's from Poole. 444019 from Poole to London Waterloo. You are disgusting. I like it. I'm joking.
I've never put it in.
Okay, 45110 is here. It's an empty stock movement. Yeah, hello. I'm just going to go join all my friends in the sidings. We're gonna go talk about boys because they're all girls. So we're all talk about boys and how cute they all are. That's what the girl trains say. Or the boy trains, they probably say, "Hey, do you, I don't know. You want to talk about girls? You want to play some video games?" I don't know. It's probably not what they say, but who knows what a 450 boy version thinks. 455856 departing. And 455853 and 159009 and 159105. That one I believe is from Salisbury to London Waterloo because it didn't stop. Okay, coming in now is another 377 off the Bognor Regis, 377437. And 377428.
There's also a triple 4 coming as well.
Also coming in is a 444. I'd imagine she is off to Weymouth, but let's have a look. 444010. Oh, look how accurate I was. It's off to Weymouth. That was a good guess, wasn't it? And it's stopping here as well. Also a 458 is departing. I imagine she's from Windsor or Reading, off to London Waterloo.
Going there today. Oh dear.
Okay, approaching Clapham Junction now is a 456, which is off to Hampton Court from London Waterloo. Phil Sayer seems very, very happy that this train is approaching. It is 456024. And it's 455902. Hampton Court. Coming in now, 450072 off to Portsmouth Harbour via Basingstoke. And 450029 and 450022. Coming in now is 450033 off to Basingstoke. Blimey, is that quick? 450085. It's a triple 450. 450. Oh my, Russ, look at the number on that. Look at the number on that. 450123.
ABC.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. ABC.
Oh, no.
Easy as 1, 2, 3.
He's coming to the cafe for drinks or what? Yeah, I think I could siphon something down in there.
Yeah, especially because he
don't
just...
add to that comment.
Won't yet. Okay, as Train Coach HD pokes his head around, here comes a 455 off to Guildford, 455738.
Yeah, 455.
Off to Guildford. Alright, Justin.
Off to where again?
Guildford.
Yeah, the service off to Guildford. And also join us down in Justin. If you go check out all their channels.
455704 on that one. Otherwise known as the Video Bombing Kings, because every time I want to film something good, they show up. Passing through now, we have another Gatwick Express 387. 387 to 11. Nice turn off there. 387 and 387 to 11 on that one.
No, 204.
204. I saw 211 on it.
Yeah.
Oh, 204 in the middle.
And also here comes
377122 is here with a southern
Here.
service to London Victoria as well.
455 in the background, boys.
I don't care about 455s.
Oh, you're right.
To be honest, they bore me.
That's
Go down Stuart's Lane, they got a steam train card there.
Oh, really?
Greece. Hello.
Parting now is a southern service to London Victoria. .377.424 is on the rear, and a 455 for Southern, 455.844 and 377.625 here. There is a London Overground 378. Oh! There's also a 66 coming through. 377.44. There's a London Overground 378. Hello.
Hello.
Also here is a Class 66. It's 66754. No! Bad move, bad move. And then a 455 comes and ruins it. Well, just for the record anyway, just for a bit of lols. 455, 903 and a 450, 450 off the London Waterloo. 450, 108 is on the very rear, and in the middle is 450, 100. 377 Heaven kicks off again. And the 66 has already made its way through because of the 455 and the 450. Surely get a free holiday after that. Also coming through is a 444, which is off to Portsmouth and Southsea. 444-014.
There'll probably be another one. Another one.
Also coming in now is another 455 off to Chessington South, 455-716. 377-104, 377-144 off to London Victoria. Along with 377-107. Long train, I imagine she's from Bognor Regis and Portsmouth, or Southampton, one of them. We have a surprise 458 here, which is looking very lovely in its Southwest Trains livery. I think that one is empty stock at the minute, but oh my god, that looks beautiful. Electric trains 1, diesel trains 1,000,000. That's the scoreline at the minute when it comes to preferring which trains are better in liveries. I thought I just might as well point out whilst I'm here, because I didn't do it in my intro. The number is 458 536. I just thought I'd point out in this clip as well, not joining me, sorry, I am featuring in this video are DB Trains, AB Trains, Kieran Eisen, Train Clips HD, Justin Hammer, and the artiste formerly known as Russ, who is there, saluting there. Salute you, good sir. 66742. I shouted you all out, and all of a sudden freight comes along. That's might as well shout you all out. More freight will come along. The freight like that. 66742. It's for Great British Rail Freight, otherwise known as GBRF. Up there we have, I don't know if you can see it. All the way up there is a flight. I'm not very good with airplane identification, so please don't ask me, but off to Gatwick Airport, I believe. Maybe going from Gatwick Airport. And a 159 coming in. We have 377-159. How ironic is that? 377-159 and an actual 159 showing up. It's 159-105 off to Salisbury. Thrashing away lovely, 159-009 on the rear. That sounded beautiful. 377-416 there. Sorry, we've gone a bit crazy here, haven't we? Okay, and the clip, we've got a passing train in a minute. Passing through now, we have a 442. 442-413. 442-419 is on the rear. This one passed through earlier, so it is not a stranger to Clapham Junction currently to us.
My father has just taken a Midday with me just out of nowhere. Admitted.
I do apologise for getting your cash.
Well, I'm going to do one of them.
Wow. Well then, well we just went crazy.
Oh, yeah?
Let's go crazy again. Coming in now, we have two 377s. Bloody hell, are they forming a queue over there?
Huh?
Are they forming a queue over there, all those trains? Yeah. 377-123. A, B, C. Easy as 1, 2, 3.
Just don't.
377-120 off to East Grinstead. Uh, 455-737 just departed as well. And the rear is 377-431. We've got another 7377 turning up at the same time. Also a 450-027 off to Alton. Or if you want to make a joke about it, Alton Towers. 377-432 off to London Victoria. Passing through now, we have a 444-022 for London Waterloo. Working very busy on that one actually. Via Basingstoke, so I'd imagine she is from Portsmouth Harbour. .458 they're departing as well from Windsor and Eton Riverside. And a 455 off to Dorking, 455-855. It's got a little flower on it. Yeah, it looks beautiful. 455-732.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Also 455-909 is departing with a service to London Waterloo.
Where else?
London Victoria if it's southern. Also a southern service turn that goes to Epsom. 377-442. 455-906 from Guildford. 450-104 here, doing an empty stop along with something else. Catch that. Oh, well, there it is actually. Don't need to catch that. It's there. Coming in now is 377-473 off to London Victoria. A 455, no surprises, also turning up. See it in a minute. Okay, coming in now we have 455-869 off to on the Hounslow Loop. This is doing London Waterloo to London Waterloo. Yep. Also departing. That train was 455-710 on the front. 455-915. I saw a little name imprinted. It had Ben on it.
Okay.
That train's called Ben. Bye, Ben. Bye.
Bye, Ben.
Probably going to see you in the next 2 minutes, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll be back in
Nice
10
to
minutes.
see you popping by. It's a shame you couldn't give us flowers because the other
Shame we
train
couldn't
gave
stop.
us flowers.
Shame we couldn't stop
You
for a
know,
cup of tea.
It like.
Okay, there's 444-012 off to Portsmouth Harbour. Also departing is a 377 off to London Victoria, 377-472.
You know, you find it's cabs on, it's meant to stop.
377-473, sorry. And it's 426.
455.
Yeah, 455-712 is also here, off to London Waterloo. 66-155 is also shown up. Alright, let me just scream it to the world. And look what's about to get in the way of it.
Oh no!
Good job, I saw it. Well, good job, we all saw it actually. Coming in is 377-624. And a Gatwick Express 387, which train code station is legging it for. 387-217. 387-221. Oh! And 387-213. Off to Brighton. Also departing is the 455, 455, 712. And 455, 736. The shed has just finished going by and it looks lovely as usual. It's heading downwards towards somewhere. It's heading a different route.
Well, could be a 158. You know.
Pulling in is a 159. Pulling in a 159 is, well actually pulling into Clapham Junction is a 159 from Exeter St David's.
And
Also 455-910 is showing up with a service to Guildford. Not going to be able to get the 159's numbers because it is in the way. Try again in a minute. Coming in now is a 377 to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. 377-471 for Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. Oh, and a 442. .442 410 and 442 408. There's also a 444 coming through, but we'll get it in a minute. Coming in now is a 377 for London Victoria, 377 466. 455 is departing for Guildford. 377 475 is on the rear. 455 720. And on this one is 455 708 on the Hounslow Loop. Also departing now is the 3774 Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. 377 471 and 377 135. There's also a 444 showing up for London Waterloo. It's actually a double.
The train that's approaching is the 12:15 South West train service to Hampton Court.
Oh, no. Right. I'm not going to be able to get the numbers of the 444, mainly for this reason. Because this is showing up. Won't be able to get them anyway. Coming in is 455 728 for Hampton Court. Okay, it's 2 Southern services departing. Well, one showing up, one departing. 455 824 for London Victoria. And another 455 Southwest train showing up. There's a 66 showing up, but we're all the way down this end. The 444 is off of Weymouth, and there's the 455.
I'm happy with that.
I just looked at RTT and it wasn't on there.
10, from Wyatt.
455 920 on the off to Hampton Court. Coming in now is a 450 on empty stock. No, it's not on empty stock. I'm talking rubbish. It is 450 007. Oh!
James Bond's only.
James Bond train. 450 079. 450 007, otherwise known as the Bond, passed through. Okay, passing through there is 450 091 off to Portsmouth Harbour via Basingstoke. Sneaking its way through. Okay, departing now is a Southwest train service to Guildford. It's 455 875 and 455 903 on the front, 875 on the rear. 455 870 or whatever it was. Also coming. Sorry? Oh, right. There's 450 coming over there, pulling up off to Basingstoke. Double 450. No, it's a triple, I think. Triple 450. Nice. Okay, departing there is a 377 along with a 455 coming in. Also another 455 pulling out. Can't see the numbers very well. Also a 450, I think it's 450 010, is off to London Waterloo. Came via Richmond, so I imagine she's from Reading. 450 015 and 450 090 actually, just to correct myself. That's from Reading. Send back up, what is it, the SWAT team?
You're saying, well, so on platform 219.
Okay, off goes 387219 from Gatwick Airport to London Victoria. Looking very lovely in its new train livery. 387212.
212.
And 387208.
59.
Also coming through is a double 159. Blimey, that was a triple.
Yeah.
This one's off to Exeter and Bristol Temple Meads. 159017 in the grand spanking new livery. This off to Exeter St David's and Bristol Temple Meads, splitting at Salisbury.
It looks like someone's going to the toilet.
Oh yeah, and 458517 is showing up. We have 159020. This will form the 1227 Southwest train service to Exeter St David's and Bristol Temple Meads. 159007, the Bond 159. Okay, also here is 458517, forming a service to London Waterloo. Also 45552 service up to Reading, 1228 service.
And on the rear
Is 450075.
my God, it's
Also 458517 is off out.
557.
Yeah. And 458511. On the rear. Going to the Waterloo. Needs to go to the loo.
Over there, as you can see, there's 377 to 5.
You've got statements you want to make on my video today?
No, it's going. There is
Okay, coming 8 is 378207 off to
Clapham Junction.
Clapham. Yeah, it does actually. I think it might be off to Willesden Junction.
No, Dalston Junction. Sorry if I said that wrong.
Oh, Dalston Junction, right? Okay, off to Dalston Junction for London Overground. And
I'm probably going to.
let's play a game, shall we? How many cars does that one have? I'm not too sure.
7?
Yeah, I think it might be.
2?
I think it might be 6.
I think it might be 5.
5.
Could be correct here.
I don't think it's 5. I think you're way off there. I think it's 15.
Oh yeah, 15. Yeah.
It might be 21.
Yes, that's it. Do you know what? That will make the
But
700.
I can't put my finger on it. Also, on time Southern are departing.
377 150 over there.
377 Sprinter.
And someone's decided.
What, on time? I think we need to take a deposit. Southern, that's naughty to be on time.
Okay, departing there is 378256. I think that one's off to Stratford. Again, oh, and 450124 off to Basingstoke. Sorry, to Alton.
450 124.
And 450 109 off to Alton Towers. Off to Alton Towers, that one. Okay, coming in now is 458528. With, oh, it's just that one. That's off to Weybridge. Also coming in is 378215, which is from Willesden Junction, terminating here at Clapham Junction. Also coming in is 455 on empty stock, I believe. Coming in very slowly, so if it's coming slow. What I want to point out is 450127, which is on empty stock, which is just stable here. Did forget about that one. Okay, coming in now is a 455 off to Strawberry Hill via Wimbledon. And here comes 455722. Purposely getting in the way because it feels like it. Also 377 departing and a 442 approaching. I don't know, okay, we'll see that one in a minute, maybe, because the 455 is slowly making its way through. So, unfortunately, I can't guarantee we'll see the 442, but we'll see. Oh, blimey, spark there. Oh, probably won't see it though. On the rear of the empty stock for the 455 is 455914. Another 455 departing for Waterloo, racing it, but that one's winning. Another 455 approaching, platform 4, which I believe is from somewhere. Well, it might be Hounslow actually. I believe this one's from Hounslow, going to London Waterloo. And there's only one passenger waiting for it. That's not like Clapham Junction at all. Only one person waiting for that one. What's up? What's going on with Clapham Junction? So you had a breakdown, and there's a 4444 off to London Waterloo as well. That is 444 016, and here is 455853. Imagine coming in from Hounslow via Richmond, and a 378 also coming in from Stratford or London Overground. And as I thought everything was finished, it's not.
And if you've noticed, from the Southwest train station, and Kieran Brooks getting a lot near that yellow line again.
Oh, shut up! Who cares about rules? 458521. And 458505. They are off to, let's find out, shall we? But they've got passengers on board, so it's got a destination in mind. It is... I can't tell, sorry. It's weird. Coming through on empty stock is 450-125. Or as I like to call it, 450 Intercity 125. Just for a bit of fun. Yeah. Cool, 159, yay. I'll check that out in a minute. That's 450s on empty stock. The 159 will be appearing any minute, I believe, from Salisbury to London Waterloo. But it might be from Exeter, I'm not too sure. I imagine it might be from St David's, but I'll check out in a minute. Also, flagging away over there is a 159 from Exeter St David's to London Waterloo. There she is, look at her. It's got... Oh, there we go. There's, it's 159 102 on the rear. Couldn't catch the front, I'm afraid. There's a 455 over there. Shortly be ending my video because I've caught a lot here. It's gone bonkers, and I think I'm pretty much done here at Clapham Junction. So ideally, as that 159 pulls away, I shall be concluding the video here at Clapham Junction. So 458531 departing, and that will be the final train of this video. Huh? Oh no, I'm finishing the video after this. I've filmed a lot. Also 458527. Flanging away. And a 7377 on time. Off to Bognor Regis and...
Service being on time?
Yeah, it's off to Portsmouth and Bognor Regis, I believe.
Oh, it's off to the bog.
Yeah, it's off to the bog.
Yeah,
Having a bog.
the bog.
Yeah, it's on the bog. In the Regis.
Yeah, in the Regis.
That makes sense. Anyway, so as she pulls in, I shall end the Clapham Junction video there. Oh my god. Are you even going to let me plug the end of the video, or is just 444 going to come through?
Well, you've got another 377 there.
Yeah, well, I don't care about that. 444 is
yeah,
Bay. 444 001. Oh yes, first ever 444 to exist. From Weymouth to London Waterloo with the... And another 444. 444 003 up to Weymouth. Okay, and as she pulls through, I shall end the video there for definite. So thank you guys for watching my Clapham Junction video. I hope you really have enjoyed it. I certainly have enjoyed myself here. If you've liked what you've seen here at Clapham Junction, then please do like and subscribe. Any comments you make, I'll get back to you as and when I can, and any recommendations are welcome. So please do leave those in the comments. I've really enjoyed my time here at Clapham Junction, an incredible station.
I feel sorry.
Absolutely bonkers in terms of trains, so much coming through. Yeah, I'm pretty certain. No, some of them are on time, 159s are through, 444s, 450s, 455s were crazy, 458s and 378s, it's just an amazing station. I highly recommend it. But seriously, who hasn't visited this station already? This station is fantastic. If you haven't visited it, you need to, but I'm sure a lot of people have. Here today at Clapham Junction was Train Clips HD, Justin Hamer,
Bang, 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 bang.
AB Trains,
Hello.
Kieran Eisen, DB Trains, and obviously the piece de resistance of Clapham Junction, the artiste formerly known as Ross. Finally met him after all this time, which is great. It's been an honour meeting him. So, and hopefully he'll start some painting soon, considering he's an artiste. So, his paint's all bad anyway.
Like jokes.
Yeah, pretty much.
I want to say something real quick.
Go on.
Did you start your video?
AB Trains wants to make a speech.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, drop a like. You really appreciate that. If you have any recommendations or requests of what station Kieran would like to do, put them in the comments. He will look at them if he has the opportunity to. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And we will see you all next time. Bye.
Yeah. A lovely little goodbye from AB Trains there. a lovely little goodbye from AB Trains there, just echoing what I've already said. Just make sure you do all that. My next station will be tomorrow, actually, on the Riviera, Torquay and Paignton. And I'm really, really looking forward to those because I really like all three of those stations. Not boring, more boring than your life, Mr. Trinclips. No, don't. It'll be Torquay and Paignton next, where I'll be joined by Southwest Train Spotting and the Great Western Spotter, so I'm really looking forward to that. So, until next time guys, I shall see you all soon. Thank you again. This is my 800 subscriber special part 1, my second and third part to the 800 subscriber special, and the fourth part, sorry, will be at Newport, Seven Tunnel Junction and Gloucester on the 10th of September, so I'm really looking forward to those. So, I shall see you all soon. Take care guys, and thank you again for watching, and thank you again for 800 subs. Roll on 900, I say.
Roll on 1,000?
Yeah, no, it's empty stock. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Take care guys, and goodbye.